Hey there, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler, your go-to Excel teacher. Today, I'm going to show you a neat little trick. How to split a cell diagonally in Excel. Just like this one where I have both my row and column headings inside the same cell. Alright, first things first. Click on the cell where you want this diagonal split. Got it? Great. Now right-click on that cell and choose Format Cells from the menu. This opens up a dialog box with lots of options to play with. Once you're in the Format Cells dialog, click on the Border tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see different line styles. I personally love using the solid line because it looks clean and clear. So select the solid line style. Just click on it. Next, look for the diagonal line button. It's the little diagonal line in the border preview box. Click that, and you'll see your cell preview update with a diagonal line cutting through the cell. When you're happy with how it looks, click OK. Now that you have your diagonal line, it's time to add your titles. Start by typing the title for the column heading. In my example, that's Year. Here's a handy little trick I love. To add a new line inside the same cell, don't just press Enter. That will move you to the next cell down. Instead, press Alt plus Enter on your keyboard. This creates a line break, so you can type your row heading right below. For me, that's the row heading title. When you hit Enter after typing both titles, you'll see them stacked, but the first title, the column heading, is still on the left side. To fix that, you can add some spaces before the first title to push it over to the right side of the cell. It's a bit of trial and error, but trust me, it works. Now that everything's looking good, you can format your text. Maybe make the titles bold, or change their colour to make them stand out. Pause the video here and try this yourself. It's a really fun little formatting trick that comes in handy, especially for headers in reports or dashboards. Let me know in the comments if you gave this a try. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Sheet Leveler for more friendly, practical Excel tips. Excel is such a powerful tool once you get the hang of it, and I'm so excited to be learning alongside you. Catch you in the next video.